Pure water requires an effective and reliable purification treatment. Water purification using microscreen filter technology has been in existence for a long time, but it is only during the last few years that it has been used successfully within municipal sewage treatment plants and industry all over the world. This video film is intended to show the principles involved with Hydrotech microscreens and describes how service and maintenance work can best be carried out. Hydrotech has two types of microscreens, the drum filter and the disc filter. The drum filter is the most usual type and used, for example, with large flow capacities and relatively wide filter openings, for example, within the paper industry and fish farming. The drum filter is equipped with detachable filter panels mounted on the periphery of the drum. There are many different types of filter panels when it concerns the filter openings and material of the filter cloth, and they are easy to change. The disc filter, with its more compact design and greater filtration surface, is better suited when a finer filtration is required over a large area and when the space needed for the installation is more restricted. The disc filter consists of a central drum onto which the discs with the filter media are assembled. The filter, which is suspended from a central shaft and two support wheels, rotates when the filter cloth is backwashed. A filter installation can be placed either in a concrete channel, in a basin, or as a freestanding pipe-fed filter equipped with a stainless steel tank. Each disc consists of a number of disc segments, 3, 4 and 5 respectively, depending on the size of the filter unit. Mounted on the sides of the filter segments are the filter panels. Each panel is equipped with a rubber gasket and held in place by means of a locking frame. The drum filter consists of a drum which is constructed in sections and, depending on the diameter, can have a varying number of filter panels fitted around each section. The drum filter panel is 1200 by 400 millimeters, manufactured in polypropylene and polyester or stainless steel cloth. It is constructed to be flexible so that the filter panel can be mounted onto small or large drums. The principle behind a disc filter and a drum filter system is the same. The water flows into the drum by means of gravity and is subsequently filtered through the filter panels. The separated particles which collect on the inside of the filter cloth eventually create an increase in pressure, causing the water level in front of the filter to rise. When the level of water reaches an inbuilt sensor in the system, the rotation and backwash cycle is started by means of the automatic equipment. Should the flow capacity through the filter cloth be reduced for any reason, for example due to increased sludge content in the water or backwash failure due to the pumps breaking down, the water must be led past the filter via an inbuilt or external bypass system. The separated particles are backwashed into the sludge trough and piped away for treatment, whilst the filtered water continues on through the process. The patented filter panels are available in a standard module design and fit all sizes of drum filters. The filter panels consist of a polypropylene support grid and a welded microscreen cloth manufactured in polyester or stainless steel. The filter panel is held in position by a metal frame, which is attached using two nuts on each of the short sides. The rubber gasket, which is fixed to the drum, seals the outer edges of the filter panels. In order to ensure a watertight seal between the filter drum and the filter panels, it is important that the rubber gasket is intact and that the filter panels are in the correct position. When changing many filter panels, it is an advantage being two. However, only one person is required when changing a single panel. The filter panel consists of a stretch filter cloth mounted on a stainless steel frame with an integrated rubber gasket. When the filter cloth is worn, the entire filter panel is replaced. The old filter panel can be used for recycling purposes. With the help of guide pins, the filter panel and locking frame are correctly put into position. The filter panel is held in position using a locking frame which is secured by a clasp and bolt. Some filter models are equipped with a moving spray bar to reduce the consumption of backwash water and for more efficient cleaning of the filter cloth. This reduced consumption of water results in energy savings of up to between 20 and 25%. The spray headers on the Hydrotec disc filter fold out for easier accessibility. By turning the nozzle head 45 degrees, it is released to facilitate easy cleaning. The best way to clean a backwash nozzle is to use high-pressure air. Alternatively, a small plastic tool can be used. Absolutely no metal tool should be used when cleaning the nozzles, as they could damage the openings and impair the spray pattern. Reassembly is carried out in the same way, but of course in the reversed order.